Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Leetcode Weekly Contest 358. 48 seconds to go. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest. As you know, this is my live solve video, live during the contest, live recording of the contest. So yeah, if you want the explanations and stuff like this, there'll be a video for each one, though I tend to focus on Q4. I think that's the criticism. But it's hard. They're a lot of fun. Yeah, that's let me get my notepad ready. Seems okay. Seems ready enough. And I have this remote control. I don't. What is this one for? Okay. I don't know what this is for. All right, 10 seconds to go. Good luck, everybody. Wish me good luck. I don't know why I refresh, but apparently refreshing. Huh? 5, 4, 3, 2. Server's gonna be an issue. Oh, maybe not. Digit in both. What? Maximum. The maximum digit in both numbers are equal. Okay, fine. This is so awkward. What? Why am I so bad? I guess I didn't need to do that, but like I feel like this problem is slightly underspecified, but okay. It's a little bit messy. Okay. Just doubling it mean? I was an integer. Okay, whatever. I think you're supposed to do the carry, but I'm gonna cheat. I didn't know that that's a thing. Wow, that is actually, I didn't know that. Well, today I learned, I guess, by eating it. I guess I could have tested it, but I didn't know that that's a thing, to be honest. Today I learned. Okay, today I learned that I am washing this a little bit. I thought I had it, to be honest, that's why, but yeah. I don't know what else can there be. Silly mistakes. Ironically, if I did it the other way, this would have worked, the string method, but I didn't know that's a limit. I guess, you know, have to eat crap to learn sometimes. Alright. Find the minimal absolute difference between two elements in an array that are at least x index apart. Okay. Oh well, I mean, it is what it is. Some contests you do well, and some contests you focus on the learning. And this is one of the learning ones, I suppose. Numbers of I. I guess I could, I'm lazy, I'll just do the copy and paste. I will. So there's at least one number, hopefully. I thought that's one of the stuff that they think, but maybe not. Tell me why. Oh, I guess I have to do this first. Off by ones. What a sloppy contest for me. Actually, would have been pretty good, to be honest, right? I mean, if I didn't make the 2 I mean, that was a learning mistake. I found this magic until the magic doesn't work. Alright, what am I? K times, what is K? K could be something big. Okay, K could be something big. What's a prime score? Why did they, like, you know, they should define this first. Okay, okay. Smaller than that. Yeah, mod. I feel like this is a hard enough problem that those two wrong answers is gonna hurt. Like, no way people are spending 18 minutes on them or whatever with the penalty. Yeah, well. Okay, so we keep on taking care of indexes. The prime is number of distinct factor of x. And that means that we should do whatever first. So we multiply the score by x every time. Can we do greedy? Seems like it's just greedy, right? We just keep on getting max. Maybe? I actually don't know why we don't just do chosen already. What, the not chosen already part is very confusing. I think that's why it's a little bit like, is it the L and the R not chosen completely, or I'm kind of confused. Like they don't tell you what it haven't chosen completely yet. Like, is it each element or is it the indexes? Because this one, sounds like it should be greedy. Like, why would you just not picking 0 and then 0, 1 and then 0, 2 and so forth? Like here, am I misunderstanding this? They don't tell you what it used being means. Yeah. Why would you not choose 0 and 0, 1? This thing. Highest prime score. Oh, I guess I see, because 0, 1, 12 has a prime with higher prime score. Okay. Seems like it's a priority queue thing, but you still have to kind of process it. That's it. You always start with one element. I think that's the thing. Okay, fine. Yeah, I'm so far behind because of the two wrong answers. It would have been like top 10 or something, but silly Python. Okay, focus. Do I have time to? What's 10 to the 5th square root of that? 316 times. Yeah, I guess that's too slow. We have to do the CIF. Technically, you could do this. Yeah, it's been a while. I'm so bad at this. You could technically do I plus times 2, but whatever. Okay. Number of unique prime factors. Okay. feel like some people pre-calc this. Hopefully I don't need to pre-calc this. If I get TLE, I'm gonna be sad. But okay. And now I think I waste a lot of time on these problems. I'm just kind of messing around too much. Let's see. Oh, I don't add, do I? Yeah, okay, fine. So this is the okay, fine. I think I don't need to do this, but I am. I think I'm just being dumb. I don't know if I'm off by 1. Though I guess off by 1 doesn't matter because it's all going to be. Because you're supposed to sort it anyway. Okay, so. Okay, so I am off by 1, but I think that's fine. What's 12 again? 12 is 2 and 3. Yeah, 2 and 3, right? That's okay. That actually matters then. Okay, so that's 2. Okay. Feel gotten this yet? It shouldn't be that bad. I feel like it's either that or I'm wrong. I think that's the thing. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Because if it is the way that I'm thinking it is, then it shouldn't be that bad. Okay, so the heap should look like what's my stuff? The current number. What am I doing? The current number, which is num sub I. The distinctive. What does the distinctness matter? The distinctiveness don't matter, I don't think. Okay, fine. It only matters when you want to expand. Okay. X. And then now, okay, if okay, I don't think that matters. Yep. So this is good. You extend to the right only, right? You want to extend to the left? Yeah, you want to extend to the left. Because basically 18, you want to extend to the left if it had fewer primes. Yeah, okay, so that makes sense. Okay. Counter. Maybe I do something like if this is, if the count is greater than score, then we should try it. Then we can expand to the left. With the same score. If it's equal to as well, then on the other side. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. That's not right. Okay, let's take a look. What is this doing? Oh, it's a min heap, Larry. It's a min heap, Larry. I always forget. Sometimes I just think the heap will do exactly what I want it to do without remembering whether it's a min heap or max heap. Alright, let's see if this works. Oh no. Well, at least that's a fast no, and not like, you know, it's good. What's this? I don't know. Is that good? I did the moderate, right? Okay. Oh, at most K up, right? This is kind of cranky. This is going to be this is impossible? Well, not to these people. Because what does maximum possible score mean if you're going to mod it? Okay, this could be how big of a number can it be? 10 to the 5th to the K power? Are you serious? Like, I don't know if that they're just being wrong, to be honest. Well, I mean, not that my intermediate results would have been better, but this is just so weird. This is impossible to debug. Maybe. 332223000111. Oh, I thought it was close, but I don't even know what that means. There's so many things about what this problem is so underspecified. But what am I doing wrong? Am I wrong? Left, right scores. This one has 4 primes. It's just primes, right? And I am adding just the... Oh, actually, am I adding the prime? Yeah, I am only adding the prime. This should be okay. Take a look real quick. Yeah, that looks okay. My code here should be good. Okay, so oh right. So we do this first because that's 4, as this because that's 4, and then it extends to the right. And then now, is it true? I don't think, actually I don't think this is right. Why wouldn't it be 1? This should go 1, 3, so definitely there's something wrong here. Because this number is pretty big. Let's see, what am I doing? Count. Oh, I had this wrong. Oh man. That is a silly typo, isn't it? How does that pass the examples? I guess just lucky. Hopefully this doesn't time out. If it's time out, it's fine. It's just I have to do that Leetcode pre-cache thing. Oh. Huh? Dong dong dong. Alright, well here we go again. Here we go again. So many wrong answers because I suck. To the left. Expand something. No, because if it's Leetcode then you okay. What am I doing? Oh, 16 instead of 38. Why is this? It's off by a little bit. But that doesn't even make sense. I mean, I think the up to K part is a little... No, you always want to increase, so I feel like you just kind of... It's always at the end, because you always want to increase, and all your answers always increase. So, at most part, I don't think it does anything. And instead, I'm just wrong on other stuff. Is this wrong? Is this wrong? Oh, 1 is an input. Oh, 1 is an input. Five times 4. But we should be wrong another way. Why am I 0, 3? am I expanding right? So the current score is greater than or equal to the right. That's fine. That means that we get the current score. To the left has to be exactly greater. Yeah. Actually, I want to see something. I think that's the only case. 5 times 4 is 20, right? 5 times 6 is 13, 15. I feel like some of this should give me like a 0 answer. Just from this. Oh no, it's just multiplying by 1, I suppose. Is it giving me the same answer? It's not giving me the same answer, which is kind of weird. That means that I'm doing something duplicate. I'm doing 0, 2 twice. Why am I doing 0, 2 twice? Tell me why. That is why I have a wrong answer. Okay, now I see it. Because 0... Oh no, this isn't 0, 1. This is... X, left, right. No, that's right. We are doing 0, 1 twice. I should label these. Why am I doing 0, 2 twice? So we start at... Where's my 0, 0? 0, 0 is not coming to play. 0, 1. Oh, because they're the same number? No, that's not right. 0, 1 is 0, 1. And then we expand. Oh, wait, what? Actually, this times out anyway, Larry. What are you doing? I am pretty bad at this. I realize I just read this wrong. So this would time out anyway because of my heap. Okay, so we have to do a little bit smarter than that. Man, this is just a contribution thing, but I think I'm just today having a bad day. I had totally misread this part and I was just doing wrong. Okay, rethink. I have to reset. This is a tough reset, but I have to reset. Reset. Okay, number of contributions. So basically, okay. I mean, you know what you're doing. You just have to simulate it, and I just did the simulation part. So okay. So Okay, what are you doing? Focus. Okay. This was going to time out, even though you make mistakes anyway on your simulation, but this was going to time out. Okay. This is bad. But basically what we're doing is for each number, what is its contribution? If the number extends to the right, today is a rough day. Okay, contribution. Oh man, why I misread the constraints. Okay, I don't... the min confused me, I suppose. Okay, focus. That part is the same. That's a contribution. Alright, so if this is the leftmost, how many pairs can it be in? So the left, it extends, and then the right, it just extends, right? So I'm so bad at these problems. Okay, so then now okay, so how far does this extend? So on the left side you have, and then you do degree of freedom. That's right. Okay, I get it. So the naive, you just kind of do a loop. Of course, that's n squared. So now we have to get the... So let's see if I have a count away. We have to get the last number that is... We have to get the last number that is greater than. We have to get the last number that's bigger than. That's a mono-Q thing, right? So, okay, last number that's... or equal to, actually. Yeah, So this number contributes to the last number that's this number or equal to. So you have, okay. Now is it? Oh man, I'm so bad at this. I'm so thrown off. We have an hour. I could solve this. It's solvable. I'm just being dumb and slow. Last number that's greater than this. So then you have a. So while is less than I no, counts of I, because if they equal we stop, so then here we stop, right? It's either that or -1, so okay. So basically q of, oh no, not q of 0, the last number. I will q, but I think it's a stack. Let's see. Q this minus I, so we have this degree of freedom on here. Pop. Right. And then we append, let's see, this number. Okay. What am I doing? I is on the third, counts of I, right? Okay. I'm so dumb. I'm just not focused correctly. Oh yeah, if length of Q is greater than 0, you know it's a stack. Otherwise we append I suppose. It may be off by 1, I have to think about that. I should have kept all the other ones too, but it's fine. Or all the inputs. I think I had this one, so I could use it for my, but that's fine. I don't even know what the answer should be, so it doesn't even matter, as long as it's reasonable. Okay, so these are the counts. And so then here we have 1 to the left. Here we have also 1 to the left. Technically it's this -1, I suppose. Yeah, it's this -1 for, no, this is degree of freedom, that's fine. Because we have 1 degree of freedom, okay. Yeah, and then 5 has 1, so to do 2, okay. These are kind of actually terrible examples to do. 6, what is 30, what's the other one, 10 maybe, okay. Okay, so 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, okay. And then now something like that maybe. Just want to make sure I'm right. Okay, 3 2 2, okay, should be right. And then now why am I so silly? Again, this is a stack, but and now with its equal we keep going, so that's always fun. Is it I minus the front, right? So it's actually Q -1 2 minus I. Is N minus I actually? Hopefully. Okay. Okay, and then now we have a heap. we want to say what are we saying? Num sub I, and then the number of left sub I times right sub I, right? And we want a max heap. So yeah, let's keep it a max heap. I think the typo'ed on this actually doesn't matter, so it's fine. Famous last words, and I should use heapified, but it's fine. While k is greater than 0. Yeah, okay, fine. I'm just gonna modify this. This is where things goes wrong, but well, I mean, things have been going wrong, so yeah. So x and then count is equal to this. X is equal to negative x. We don't need to use it again anyway, but okay. So then delta is equal to min of count k, and then basically we want to say answer. We want to do it on mod pow. We do x delta times, and then k to the delta, and then also do a mod. Why not? Index out of count. That's odd, isn't it? So each number should, I mean, the total should be whatever, 6, 9, 11, 15. This is for 6. Am I off by 1 somewhere? It certainly maybe I am off by 1 somewhere. Okay, let's just, I think the right stuff could be wrong. Right. What a silly mistake though. Okay, so there's 1 degree of freedom, 2 degree of freedom, that's right, 3, 4, 5, and this is 1. That seems right actually. This is 2 degree of freedom because you could take 1 and then 0. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I think that's right. So what is wrong? Tell me why. Why is this 0? Left is that may be why. This is off by 1 maybe? Yeah, this is off by 1. Oh, this is I plus 1. Yes, okay, that's why. I don't know if this is right anymore. Should be okay. I mean, I don't remember the answers, so YOLO. Is this gonna be like if this is 1 at a time? No, that shouldn't be. That shouldn't make sense. That's the only thing that could be, maybe. If delta's... No, because it's still like n log n. This is only n entries. So what can be long? Please stop. Why is this this cannot be 0, right? I plus 1, this has to be greater than 1, and this has to be greater than 1. This is greater than 1, so okay, so this cannot be 0, I don't think. Why am I getting time limit exceeded then? This heapify, do I have something silly like here? I don't think so. Maybe the set. The set is kind of a clunky part, to be honest. But I haven't even finished it. My Discord is going nuts. Okay. Does it tell me the time? Oh, it does tell me the time. I don't know. I mean, alright. Well, I guess the worst case is just maybe like how many. 10 to the 5th is a ridiculous number. You can't even test it. I guess you can, but let's see. Let's take a look. Oh, because maybe this stuff. Let's see. This is just wrong, right? No. But I am doing repeated things, but I don't think that matters that much. But I guess maybe it does, so. Let's see, right? So. Okay, I guess that's what I really need. Well, how long does that take? 4 examples of it. It's slow, but it's not like unmanageably slow. This part's always a little weird though. Because this is not the number of unique. Can I write this in such a way that it's not? Oh yeah, I guess so. I mean, right, and then now this is num sub I. Count of I. I don't know why I wrote it this way. Maybe I should have just had a different thing because this is so easy to kind of. I guess that's it really. Is this faster? It's slightly faster, but. How do I do this? I don't know how to. How do I do this again? Something like this, maybe. I think it's kind of crap that you have to resort to it, but still. An object not. Line 40. I am just doing a lot of silly things today. It's fine. It's just one of my throwaway contests. What does that mean? What is nums? Do I do something weird? Int object not subscribable. So that's not that. Huh? What does that even mean? Maybe I should have done something like that, and then it would be more obvious. But oh no. That's good. Oh. I don't know what, maybe count, it's a, cause global count, it could be a global function or something. Is this right? Oh, because now this isn't true anymore. This is this. That's fine, I guess. Okay, now this is fine, and I think this actually is slower than before. But let's see. Let's have this, right? Is it faster? It's like marginally faster. But I guess if you have enough big test cases. I mean, this is as slick as it's gonna go, I think. Let's give it some hit. If it times out, I have to figure out. I mean, it's either that was just some like weird case, maybe it's a weird edge case issue. Maybe I'm just wrong. Yeah, maybe it's not this weirdness. Maybe it's just an edge case issue. That doesn't even make sense. This part shouldn't do anything. Unless my math is wrong, and then alright, total 0, 0. What is it? N times n. Something like this. So that's right. It must be some weird thing where this is not finalizing. Let's see. What if it's exactly... Am I off by 1? Yeah, that's what I thought. So why is this... What am I... Oh. No, this doesn't make sense, right? What am I debugging? I don't even know why it's debugging. Is it slow at least? If it times out, that would be interesting. Okay, so that's good. In that I don't know why this times out. Why does this time out? Because the K is too big? Yeah, I guess I was wrong. I said that this doesn't matter if we choose the biggest or smallest, but I guess it does a little bit. Enough that I explicitly said it didn't matter, and I guess it doesn't. But I don't get it. This should only pop 100,000 times. So why does that even slow? This is still too slow. I don't get it. Yeah, I don't think it mattered. Because it should just be at most. Why is this so slow? Like, I don't get it. Why is this so slow? Like, if I get rid of this, is it fast? Yeah, I mean, it's reasonable. Why is it so slow? It's just... Do I do something funky? It's just 100,000 heap, right? But that doesn't even matter, the heapify. I don't get it. I won't do anything. Oh, I am dumb. I specifically wanted to mod pow this. Oh. But then I think I just forgot to actually write it in. I can't believe I actually forgot to write it in. Okay. Yeah, okay. I don't need to see this print now. Oh my. A lot of a lot of mistakes today, I suppose. Yeah. Oh my god. When I was writing it, I was thinking about it. I was like, oh, this is perfect time to use mod pow. And then I just forgot about it. Oh my. A lot of silly mistakes. Okay, please stop. I don't know. Today is just a bad day in terms of I think I just had reading comprehension problems. To be frank, Q4 was fine. For some reason I kind of misread this constraint. I just kind of thought, oh wait, it's less than this. It should be fine. I mean, and then it became straightforward. And then this was the saddest part because I think I spent like 15 minutes on this and like 2 wrong answers, right? The 2 TLEs. Let's actually let me just take a look at my submission times. Yeah, 1 second. Oh man. And I was like yeah, I think that's the reason why I didn't really spot this bug was because I thought I did it. I was like, oh yeah, just do this mod pow, and then I don't know if I said it out loud, but I didn't write it in either case. because I don't remember what I done streaming because I thought I did, but clearly maybe not. And then that's why I was like, oh yeah, but you could still go over mod, so just make sure you mod it. And I'm like, okay, yeah, makes sense. But then I just forgot to actually do it. Come on, Larry. Just one of those days. That bug cost me a lot of time, obviously, and 2 wrong answers. So that is good because wasn't that bad. But I also just misread it because I spent so long doing it the other way. I was thinking about it this way the entire time as I was writing the stupider or the naive solution, but then I just kind of I mean, this is just I mean, it is what it is. I feel like I've been practicing a lot too, so I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I don't really have much to say. I mean, it was a fine problem, but I have so many penalties. 6 penalties is rough. Yeah. I don't know. I just I misread and that was a really bad typo. And I think the thing is also with this particular problem, there's just so many places where you can imagine a TLE, especially given its Leetcode, and Leetcode doesn't have a good track record with Python, but yeah, I don't know, right? But yeah, so that's why I kind of did other optimizations, which waste time. But that's the whole thing. Where I was like, complexity wise, I knew that everything was good, so I was just very confused about certain minor implementation updates or whatever. Yeah, maybe we don't even need this. Who knows? Does this still work? I'm just curious for science. If the server isn't having issue anyway. Let's give it a quick, yeah, let's give it a quick submit. Why not? Definitely it's going to be slower, but I wonder if that was necessary. So maybe I'll feel bad or better about myself. Yeah, that's a little. See, but that's the kind of crap that is. Yeah, because now, so one of the so I needed both optimizations, right? So it's kind of, I don't know. That's what I mean by I wasn't sure because in Leetcode, so it turns out that this part was necessary to optimize. I don't know. That's a little bit sad. Like people should not need to use this trick to do it. Do I don't? Is it this thing? I don't know. Right. Because people should not need to do this trick to be able to do it. There are a couple of ways you can improve on this, but this is still just like n log n. Or I mean, in theory, if n is big and max is or the other way around, n is small and mx is big, then but that's just like kind of a crappy problem. I mean, the problem itself is fine, but I think there are a lot of edge formulations with it that makes the time limit exceeded, which is kind of crappy, right? So even if I had gotten this right, I would have had to do what I did. So maybe I didn't waste that much time per se, but it's time that I wouldn't have to do if I did it in another language, right? So let's see if ChatGPT is good for this one. just for science. Alright, I have to log in every now. Alright, ChatGPT. Let's see. Oh, the mod POW. You would have to do some of your mod POW, so I'm too lazy to ChatGPT doesn't know about how to do mod POW. So I'm not gonna do it then, because then it just becomes crazy. Actually, they don't even care for modding. They just kind of removed all the modding. I mean, I could probably fix it. It's just that it would have taken me just as long, I suppose. I think this is such a crappy pattern that you have to do for Leetcode. But so I wasn't unjustified in how much I waste time, because I would have had to do it anyway. But that was still a really bad typo. Yeah, well. Anyway, that's all I have for this contest. Disaster. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you did. Let me know how you did on this contest. That's all I have. So stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.